Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here from Romero Cards for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for watching this video. In today's card, we are going to be using some products from the latest release. It's country, it's dad, it's the masculine guy or the masculine person in your life, and we're going to be playing around with some of those products. But before we get started, just a few things. First, subscribe to the channel. Secondly, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the card, what you think about this release, all that great stuff. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send it out to them. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be using today down at the desk. All right, so we are going to be using a paper from this freebie here that you get if you spend $100 or more. You get a pack of freebie paper. We are going to be using the Howdy Y'all stamp and coordinating die set. We're going to be using On the Range along with the coordinating die set. We are also going to be using some white paper and then a Misty and all that great stuff. So let me go ahead and get the desk set up for the first step. Okay, since we are going to be using some red rubber stamps today, what we will need to do is remove our little, I have a polymer stamp here, but you may have a piece of foam that's there as well. You'll want to remove that because the rubber stamp is, it's pretty thick and we don't need that part. So we're going to go ahead and stick our paper in here along with the magnet. We'll go ahead and pull out our rubber stamp. I'm going to stamp two things. I'm not for sure if I'm going to use both yet, but I'm going to go ahead and stamp them out anyway because, why not? I think I'm going to use this skull here, maybe. And then also this cactus. And then, you know what? We're going to scoot this guy up a little bit here. Put this cactus there. Let's see here. Because I think I want to put a third one here. Not for sure yet, because I might want to do a few things. And you know what? While we're at it, let's just... I don't know, let's put the boots too. Might as well cut out as much as we can. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we are gonna use our intense black ink and we're gonna go ahead and get these stamped out. So let's go ahead and pull these up off the other side of the Misty. I'm gonna rub these bad boys down because we wanna make sure that they collect ink really good. First time being used. Red rubber stamps are usually pretty good about taking ink, so it's usually the polymer stamps we have to rub down, but share the love with all stamps. We're going to press that down. Let's see. Pretty good impression, but I want to do one more. And again, this card is going to be super fast. This is probably going to be a really short video, so I hope you guys enjoy that. It's going to be a quick one. All right, so we have this stamped out, and then let's go ahead and take this out. And I forgot we're going to be doing a sentiment also, so let me go ahead and get this cleaned up, and I'll be back and show you what sentiment we're going to use. Okay, so now we are going to do the sentiment, and since these are not red rubber, we put our foam or your waffle flower acrylic mat or acrylic stamp mat, whatever you have that you want to put in here, or your foam. And we are going to go ahead and do the sentiment. I think I'm just going to do Howdy. And then Partner. Just like a hello card. Then we will go ahead and collect those up with the Misty here. And we're going to use our Be Creative Intense Black ink again. Go ahead and get that stamped out. Since these are words, I try not to press too hard. I let the ink do its job. And by soaking into the paper, there we go. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and run these through the die cutting machine with the coordinating dies, and then we'll come back with the next step. Okay, so we have all of our pieces cut out here, and I don't think I'm going to use the boots on this card, but what I've done is I've cut down the freebie paper down to 4 by 5.25, and then I just made a black mat that just goes a little bit around that, and then that's going to go in the card base. Now, I've recently got this Tim Holtz miniature stapler. I've wanted one forever. When I went out a couple months ago to the Honeybee Stamps 10-year anniversary, I was able to do some shopping and I got this. So there'll be links in the description for all these products, of course. But I've never used it before, and so I thought I would use it instead of using glue on my paper to glue this down. I thought I would just do it kind of randomly and staple it and make little X's. Might be uneven, that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's the Wild West, right? So I'm basically just stapling it in the corners and making a little X. You know, it's a masculine card, doesn't have to be perfect. It is in the desert. I mean, I guess you could probably measure this out if you wanted to, but we're in a hurry because remember, someone needs this card right away. And you know, this was your idea. So we are just going to staple these down. This is pretty cool, actually. I like that it's not perfect because not everything has to be, ow! Okay, so be careful when you do that because you'll tag your skin. So just make sure that you're careful in the back because they're a little Sharpie back there. So, all right. And then I think what I'm going to do is I think I might pop this up actually on the card base. So I'm going to get my foam tape out here and go ahead and get that down. Ooh, about stabbed my finger off, y'all. It ain't bleeding though. That's good. All right, so let's go ahead and get the foam tape back on this. We're going to use some liquid glue on the back of this too because we only have a small area that we want to make sure that it gets nice and even on the card base. So we want to make sure that we have some room to wiggle. All right, let's get a little bit more here. And I feel like this is too much of a space. So let's just put a couple pieces there, just so it doesn't indent if we send this into the mail. All right, there we go. All right. Now we will go ahead and remove the backing. There we go. Let's use this bottle. It's still got a little bit more in it. So we're just going to put some liquid glue down on the foam tape because we want to make sure that we can move this a little bit to make sure it's in position. We don't want any uneven business, even though our staples are pretty uneven. All right. Let's take a look here. I want to make sure we're on the right side of the card. Let's get this lined up a little bit. I'm going to stand up so I can look over this. My head might get in the way for a hot second. Alrighty. And I'm still having some issues with my eyesight, so it could even be possible that we do not get it even. I'm not going to stress about it. Oh my gosh, I love the X's. I don't know why, but I just think it's cute. And that was kind of like a last minute idea, you guys. Like I was just thinking, you know, I'm going to use this. All right, so, and for this, I think I'm going to kind of do this situation. I might glue these down here. Let's see. Put those there. And then maybe like put this guy here. Maybe like that. Or maybe put this one down a little lower. Let's put him here. And then maybe this guy here. Something like this. Let's do like that. I think that might be better. I'll set that a little bit. And then Howdy Partner. All right, I'm going to think about this. I'm going to position it in what I think it should be, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what the completed card looks like. Okay, everyone, so this is what I decided to go with. I thought it would be nice. I just put the cactus down flat, and then this cactus I popped up with some foam tape, and then the skull I also popped up with some foam tape along with the sentiment. I think this is super cool. I love the fact that it has the crosshairs, or the crosses with the staples. I think it's really cool. It's kind of rustic. What could have been fun is if I somehow dipped these or maybe colored these like in a rust color, would have been fun. I'll have to think about how I could do that and be able to use them that way. But yeah, I think this is super fun. It was a masculine card. It happened really fast, and it was really cool. So let me just hold it up for you just so you can see it a little bit closer. That is so fun, so easy, and I just think it's great. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you leave some comments down below. Tell me what you love about the card. Subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. And fourth, share love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send that out to them. Also, everything used will be linked down in the description below, so make sure that you go take a look at those items. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!